Hello, hello. Hello guys. Laban tayo ng Legend. Second slot niya Draconic Sigil. Sana makuha natin tong third slot. Angel's Ring. Mahal to eh. Lumang server na to guys. Medyo mura na lang dito pero pag sa bagong server, mahal pa sila. Yung natin, yung ingredients natin, plus 5. Saka tatlong epic. Try natin guys, kahit kulay blue. So, medyo mababa lang yung eh. So, yung chance. Pero try pa rin natin guys, third slot. Laban ko na. Whew. Try natin. Third slot, please. Third slot, please. Uy! Sayang! Sayang guys, na first slot.